Hey you, fuckface, does your YouTube channel suck ass? I got 30 fucking tips for you. To make your YouTube channel from shit to Fuck, this thing is heavy. I'm hot. My face is getting hot. Okay, so, first of all, fucking thumbnail and titles. Alright, so thumbnails, one of the most important part of any video, to be honest. It basically tells the audience, hey, check me out. You know, this is what you're going to be looking at. This is what you're going to be listening to, what you're watching. So let's be honest here. You didn't click on this video unless, 1, you like titties, or 2, refer back to 1. You gotta make them pop, you know? Make them colorful, bright. I'm telling you, the best way to make any thumbnail pop and look bright is just put tits on it, you know? Clickbait. Say you're a fucking gaming YouTuber, right? And you're playing Halo 5. You just record some gameplay, you fucking get Master Queef up there, draw some titties on them, you're good to fucking go. Point 2 in Don Joe's tips of dicks is game choice. Alright, so game choice is a very... You know, for anyone, game choice is a hard decision, right? Just hop on the band of wagons, you know what I mean? You got fucking fork night. You know, I was playing a little bit of fuck my wife with my friends, and if knife fork is too overdone now, then you can, or is too fast for you. You like the base building, but it's too fast paced. There's always fucking mince raft. You know, that game's fun. You chop trees and hit blocks and shit. Now, if that game is, you like the base building, but it's not dangerous enough for you, then there's always the new zombie game that's fucking on the up and up, State of Dickhead. You know, that game's fun. I love that game. That game's a blast. So, you know, there's a lot of games out there. You know, a lot of opportunity for fun. You just gotta jump on the band of wagons and just pump out videos. You know what I mean? I don't know what I'll say about that. So, find a game you like. Stick with it, and just put titties on the thumbnail. All right. So for recap, we've hit thumbnails and titles. We've hit game choice. Fuck. Now we hit the third point of Don Joe's dicks and tits. Personality. You gotta be honest with yourself, honest with your audience. Just put titties on it. Game choice. Hop on the band of wagons. You know, fucking fork, knife, and mince raft and State of Dickhead. You know, hop on the bandwagon. There's plenty of big YouTubers have already done that. Dude, this mask is fucking hot. If y'all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want another installment of YouTube dicks and tits, I'd be more than happy to oblige. Those are only 3 points. I can think of many more to help you all out. And if you're new to my channel, hit that sub button. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you guys all have a good night, and I hope this video has helped you in some way. Thank you, and good night. Just put titties on it.